Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2015 Jeep Cherokee Sport 4x4 in brilliant black crystal pearl paint, powered by the 2.4 liter Tiger Shark multi-air 4-cylinder engine underneath the hood. Come to the front here. This has projector style HID headlamps lighting up the road in front of you. This has LED running lights, the turn signals are there too, and of course that beautiful 7-slot grille with chrome around the inserts. Come to the side here, this Jeep Cherokee Sport is running on 17-inch rims. This has 4-wheel disc brakes all around, and it has Nokian entire mud and snow tires. With plenty of tread on there, you'll surely have lots of traction. There's mud flats behind all 4 tires, black door handles on the outside on all 4 doors, and both driver and passenger side door mirrors are breakaway, and these are heated mirrors as well. Open up the driver's side door here. Here is the door panel. There's storage down below with a cup holder. There's nice leather padding right here. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver's side window is automatic. Move inside. Leather wrapped steering wheel, feels great in your hands. Is a tilt steering wheel too. Turn on the headlamps right here. There's a dimmer knob. Heavy duty mats throughout. Driver's seat is manual adjustment. This has cloth seating throughout. Adjustable headrests on the front seats. And this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Jeep Cherokee. Nice leather padding in the middle here for arms to rest on. Lift this up. There's an upper storage area, grab a lower. There's a lower storage area with a 12-volt DC power outlet and a USB port. There's a spot for some pens right here, and there's 2 big cup holders, electronic parking brake, and automatic transmission. Manual adjustment rear view mirror, and there's reading lamps there too. Let's go check out the back seat area. All right. So there's storage down below with a cup holder, leather padding right here, power window switch. Lots of foot room in the back seat area. There's directional air vents which you can easily adjust, and you can close and open those. There's a pocket on the back of the driver's seat, and there's a fold down armrest right here with 2 big cup holders. Adjustable headrests for the rear seats too. Is a 60/40 rear split setup. Pull this handle right here, you can fold this down, and when all the seats are folded down, it gives you more space to haul bigger things inside this Jeep Cherokee. And there's hooks here so you can hang up bags, or you can hook up a child seat if you really wanted to. Push this up and it locks right back into place. The interior lighting up here, push it either side with your hand. They'll also act as reading lamps. All right, come to the back here. This has a rear window wiper. Nice badging, Jeep 4x4 Sport. Go down here. There's a button you can press and that will pop open the lift gate for you. And there's convenience lights back here so you can see what you're doing at nighttime. Little storage compartment there. Some hooks for bags. Multiple hooks here. What I like about these hooks, it has a 7-slot grille and the Jeep headlight design. It's a nice little touch. Put whatever you want behind this bar. Storage underneath here. There is even more storage space, and there is a spare tire. And right here is a 12-volt DC power outlet. There's spots for your hands to go up here so you can easily hold down the lift gate. And there's a backup camera right there. I'll show you the other side of the back seat area here. That's where you put gasoline inside this Jeep Cherokee. Storage down below with a cup holder, leather padding, power window switch. You can see the heavy duty mats looking very good. This side also comes down very easily. Just pull the handle here and it comes right back down. There's a hook there and locks right back into place. Beautiful. And there's handles in the back seat area that your passengers can hold on to in case the ride gets a little bumpy. Storage down below with a cup holder, leather padding, power locks, power window switch. Passenger seat is manual adjustment. There's a pocket on the side and the console here. Lower glove box with a manual in there, a convenience light, and you can lock the lower glove box to have important documents. Driver and passenger side airbags. There's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags and more. Lots of safety built in this Jeep Cherokee. Let's hop inside, take a closer look right now. This is the key fob. There's an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button, and this has remote start. Press this button twice, the doors will lock, and the Jeep Cherokee will start right up like so. Boom, just like that. Then you can hit the unlock button here, hop inside the Jeep Cherokee, use the key fob, push this into the ignition like so, turn it to on, and I'll get you past the remote start system. All the gauges look very nice, and the tachometer, the speedometer, the fuel gauge, and the temperature gauge are always handy to have. And using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, we go through our driver information center. The first thing you'll see is that this has 106,670 kilometers on it, which isn't too bad, so definitely come take this thing for a test drive. So there's a digital speedometer, which you can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States. You have your vehicle info, tells you tire pressures for all 4 tires, your coolant temperature, transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil life, battery voltage, fuel economy lets you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold the OK button here, and you can easily reset that. Check computers, tells you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, and the time you've been driving for. Hold the OK button, you can reset one or both of those. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case the Jeep wants to tell you something. Screen set up here, so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. And back to the digital speedometer. Right now, there is a compass right there, and there's an outside thermometer. You can customize those in settings and have those areas say different information too. There's a nice big Jeep badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right, and behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. If you open up any door on this Jeep Cherokee, it'll let you know which door on the Jeep is opened. Let's say you have a phone connected through Bluetooth and a call comes to the system. You can answer or hang up on the calls by using these buttons here. And this is a voice recognition button. Cancel. Using voice recognition, you can tune into a specific radio station just by using your voice, which I think is so cool. And if you throw this Jeep into reverse, the backup camera appears on the touchscreen system here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up, which is excellent. And manual shift mode is right there. This has the select terrain system, so depending on what conditions that you're driving in, you can optimize the Cherokee to the conditions. There's a USB port, an auxiliary port, an SD card port down there, a 12-volt DC power outlet, physical climate control here, adjust your fan speed, adjust the temperature, air conditioning, recirculate button, front defrost, rear window defroster, tune knob, browse button for your audio, volume knob, mute button for your audio. Turn the screen off here if you don't want to look at it. Touch your finger, it comes back on. Turn off the traction control. Back button will help you guide through your system. Directional air vents right here, which you can close and open. And there's a large storage area right here too. And the sunglasses holder right here. And this is also interior lighting, but they're also reading lamps, right? So turn those on and off whenever you want. This folds down sun visors with convenience mirrors, with convenience lights. You can see what you're doing at nighttime. These are breakaway, and they do slide out for you, which is always fantastic. Handles here that you and your passenger can hold on to in case the ride gets a little bumpy. And there's tons of visibility out the front window. And here is the media center. Turn the volume. Great sound quality to the speakers. Definitely rock out. Have a good time inside this Jeep Cherokee. Love it. And you turn it back down just like this. This has AM, FM radio, and Sirius XM. Direct tune into a specific radio station thing that you want to listen to right here. Info tells you the song and the artist that's playing. Hold one of these boxes with your fingers. You can easily set a preset, and you can save many different presets. Just your audio, maybe equalizer, balance fade, speed adjust the volume, loudness, and more. Media button here, so if you have something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, the SD card port, or a Bluetooth device connected, go here and you can listen to music through those areas. Bluetooth area here, where I like to pair a phone, that's okay, I'll let you connect the phone, make hands-free calls. Everything you do on your phone to make a call, you do hands-free on a touchscreen system here. Compass, handy to have. Touchscreen climate control, excellent. This has heated seats up front, and it has a high setting and a low setting, and this also has a heated steering wheel You can easily adjust where you want the air to go, easily set the temperature, adjust the fan speed, and more. More button here, outside thermometer, large clock, and settings for touchscreen Uconnect system and the Jeep Cherokee, so you can customize this and have it the way that you want it to be. And of course, the hazards are right there. It tells you the time up top there, with the temperature set at, the fan speed, and where the air is going. Definitely come check out this Jeep Cherokee Sport sometime soon. It is absolutely spotless. It is good looking. Has a backup camera, Bluetooth, the necessities that most people look for in a vehicle these days. And a leather wrapped steering wheel. It's the 2015 Jeep Cherokee Sport 4x4 in brilliant black crystal pearl paint, powered by the 2.4 liter Tiger Shark multi-air 4-cylinder engine. Underneath the hood, it has cloth seating throughout and the select terrain system. Definitely come check this out at Crosstown soon, before the rain comes. I'm Ave David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.